Hey, welcome to Sessa Studio YouTube channel. This is 3-point perspective. So I'm going to kind of start off like I'm doing 2-point perspective where I have two vanishing points on both sides. And then further in the center down below, I'm going to draw my center line, which is the vertical line, and then I'm going to add the third vanishing point at the bottom of my page. And so this is 3-point perspective. So just to give you an idea, all of your angles are going to come from the third vanishing point from below. In 2-point perspective, you use a vertical line, and in 3-point perspective, you need to use a vanishing point to get that third angle. So there's your fan, and that's how you get that started. Okay, so you can measure off from the center line if you want to, and these are going to the two vanishing points from the vertical line. So this is the vertical line from your vanishing point 3, and now you're going to go back and forth drawing your from your 2 points for your other angles. So take your time doing this, and if you want to, again, you can measure this off before you do this. I just kind of decided to wing it. And yeah, just keep going until you like this. This will give you a really nice grid to work with for some buildings or a city, however you want to say it. I just drew my horizon line there if you saw that. And so once you're ready, you're going to go ahead and get out a pen. And you still really need to use your ruler when you're using your pen. And this is a thick Sharpie. You don't have to use a thick Sharpie. It's just easier for you to see it. And so I'm deciding to put one building here, and this is going to be my sidewalk, or wherever the buildings are all on the ground. And that's where I'm going to take the vanishing points to VP1 and VP2. I'm going to just finish that off a little bit. And then I'm going to draw another building, so just keep going. So this goes down to the vanishing point number 3. This goes to VP2, then VP3. And I'm going to make this a little bit longer. I went to VP3. I'm going to decide to do the center line 2 a little bit longer. And then also over here. It's quite interesting how much of a illusion this can create when you're working with it, and it's like a puzzle. You got to get all the pieces together for it to kind of work. So I hope you enjoy doing 3-point perspective. Yeah, go ahead and erase your extra lines. As I said, it's like a puzzle. It doesn't seem to work unless all the pieces are there. So this is a door. I drew that line to the vanishing point 3. This is vanishing point 2. And then I'm going to end it doing vanishing point 3 here. So remember to use the vanishing point when you are no longer using the grid. So I'm using vanishing point 1 to kind of go into the door. I thought that might look cool. I decided I did need that line. I had it there and I erased it, but that's okay. You might do the same thing. You might have something and then decide to erase it. So just keep going back and forth using all the angles from your vanishing point. You're not creating any vertical lines like you did in 2-point perspective, and I think it looks kind of cool. So yeah, I need a few more lines, and yeah, just keep going back and forth. So thanks so much for tuning in, liking, subscribing to my YouTube channel.